Apple Cash and PayPal operate as independent payment systems with no direct connection between them. You cannot transfer money directly from Apple Cash to PayPal. However, you can use your bank account as a bridge between these two platforms. This workaround involves two separate transfers with your bank account serving as the intermediary. The first step is transferring money from Apple Cash to your bank account. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone and select your Apple Cash card. You'll have two transfer options: instant transfer with a 1% fee, or standard transfer, which is free but takes 1 to 3 business days. Once the money reaches your bank account, log into PayPal and navigate to the Transfer Money section. Select Add Money to Your Balance and choose your linked bank account. This complete process typically takes 1 to 4 business days total. The only potential cost is the 1% fee if you choose instant transfer from Apple Cash, with a minimum of 25 cents and maximum of $10. While this bank account bridge method requires patience, it remains the most reliable way to move funds from Apple Cash to PayPal until direct integration becomes available.